Hello, good evening. Welcome to our channel Yushi Talks, and today we are going to talk about NRA, which is National Rifle Association of America, that has filed for bankruptcy. Yes, you heard it right. The National Rifle Association of America, the nation's foremost gun lobby, has filed for bankruptcy according to court documents filed on Friday in the Northern District of Texas. But before we move ahead, please subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell to get more updates. So let's get started. The group said it plans to leave New York State, where it was founded in 1871, and reincorporate as a Texas non-profit in a move it is calling Project Freedom, according to a statement published on Friday. The Chapter 11 announcement follows leadership shakeups and allegations of financial mismanagement at the NRA in recent years. New York Attorney General Letitia James filed a lawsuit in August accusing the NRA's senior leadership of violating laws governing nonprofit groups and using millions of dollars from the organization's reserves for personal use and tax fraud. James had alleged that the current and former NRA leadership instituted a culture of self-dealing mismanagement that benefited themselves, family, friends, and favored vendors, leading the organization to lose more than 63 million in recent years. In response, the NRA filed a countersuit alleging the Attorney General was hampering the group's First Amendment rights. James responded to the group's bankruptcy announcement on Friday in a terse statement. She said, "The NRA's claimed financial status has finally met its moral status, bankrupt." She added, "While we review this filing, we will not allow NRA to use this or any other tactic to evade accountability and my office's oversight." This strategic plan represents a pathway to opportunity, growth, and progress, Wayne Lapierre, the NRA's CEO and Executive Vice President, said in a statement on Friday. The NRA is pursuing reincorporating in a state that values contributions of the NRA, celebrates our law abiding members, and will join us as a partner in upholding constitutional freedom. In 2019, the NRA operated at a 12.2 million deficit according to NRA's 2019 990 tax return. According to OpenSecrets.org, a site run by the Center for Responsive Politics, the NRA has spent a total of 139 million on campaigns and lobbying since 2000. But its real political power comes from its 5 million members, many of whom base their votes on candidates that support or oppose the gun control measures. The largest creditor listed on NRA's bankruptcy filing is its former advertising firm, Ackerman McQueen, with which the NRA has been in a contentious legal battle after nearly 30 years in business together. Ackerman McQueen is owed a disputed 1.2 million according to the filing. The company did not send a response for a request for a comment. In addition to its internal challenges, the NRA faces a shift in Americans' attitude about guns following a string of deadly mass shootings in recent years. So that's all we have in news in regards to NRA filing for bankruptcy. Please keep watching this space and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching me once again, and you have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.